Americans are in love with their hot dogs, but did you know you can make a salmon hot dog as well? In fact, today we're making a bacon-wrapped salmon hot dog that is gonna blow everyone's mind when they give it a bite. Let's grab some of this Mowi salmon, remove the skin, and we're gonna cut this up into long pieces so they look like, well, hot dogs. And grab a thin slice of bacon and wrap it all around it. Now let's make sure that we prevent the bacon from coming off while you grill it. And that means we're gonna be using toothpicks. And these guys are ready for the grill. For salmon, I'm gonna be using what complements the salmon flavors, in this case, some tartar sauce. Any sort of lemony dill kind of flavored sauce will work too. Place your salmon dogs on top, and again, let's top it as you like. These bacon-wrapped salmon hot dogs are gonna wow your guests, and they're gonna absolutely love it.